Guys, this is a very quick video on how you can make bar graphs for your NROB61 data for your FLR. So first of all, these are the three events. So event 1, event 2, event 3. Event 1 is at 90 degrees, event 2 at 270 degrees, and event 3 at 180 degrees. And these are, so I've spike sorted 2 neurons. These are the average firing rates for each neuron based on the specific event. So neuron 1 average firing rate across the 10 trials for event 1 is this value right here. Neuron 1 average firing rate for event 2 across the 10 trials is this value right here, and so on. These averages are the spontaneous firing rate averages. There will be a different bar graphs for the stimulus evoked averages, and hence there will be eventually two figures, one for the spontaneous activity as in spontaneous firing rates, and the other one for stimulus evoked responses. So this video is just to show you how to sort of make that bar graph to be able to compare firing rates between the neurons. So this is how you do it. You select, first of all you have to write your data in this given format. So you select the data like this, you go and insert, you go and hit this bar graph, and it just sort of makes that for you, and then you can select which one looks best, and I think that this one looks best. It gives you the best sort of comparison, and then you can go and change the title. So I'll be like spontaneous activity. It has already made a legend, and blue is neuron 1, so all of these means, and orange is neuron 2, so all of these means right here. And the x-axis is event 1, event 2, event 3. The y-axis is the average firing rate. So now all we have to do is first label the x and y axes. So we go on axis titles, primary, vertical. We can write average firing rate measured in hertz. And we can then label our x-axis, which is primary horizontal, and just write event number, and that looks good. And then the last thing we sort of have to do is just put the error bars in. So you click the blue bar and go on add chart element, go to error bars, standard error, and then go and click the error bars themselves, and this area will now pop up. Now I've also written standard deviations for neuron 1, event 1, event 1, event 2, event 3, neuron 2, event 1, event 2, event 3. So they need to be in order of 1, 2, and 3. So now you go on custom, you go specify value, and you select the error / standard deviation for neuron 1, and then same thing here, and you hit OK. Sorry, that's my bad. Selected something wrong there. Okay, and then the same thing for here. So you click the orange, click again error bars and standard error, again click the error bars themselves. This will open up, custom, specify value, select the corresponding error, same thing here, click OK, and there you go. You have a full bar graph with error bars. Now if you want to, I would suggest making the text darker just for it to look better. You can go text options and put in the color you want. If you want to change these colors, you just hit this right here, go here, and put in whatever color you would like. Oh, that's my bad. Okay, again click here, and then click any color you would like. So say I want to pick this color, and that all changes, and then click the orange and then change color. Say I want to do this, and there you go. You can also change color of this text from text options and changing color right there. And so yeah, that's one figure for spontaneous activity. You will do the same for the other stimulus evoked activity, and hence you will, at the end you will have two different figures, one for spontaneous and the other for stimulus evoked activity. Thank you very much.